Okay, this is the man who's never wrong here, so real quick. Just breaking news, there have been 2 explosions reported in the finish line of the Boston Marathon, and there are dozens feared injured. It's not known yet who is responsible, whether it's some sort of form of terrorism, or an accident, or what. But there were explosions, or many were injured. Seriously injured, it's possible some of them may die. This is just happening a matter of minutes ago, and I'll be making a video later to give any sort of updates and an explanation. So thanks for watching.